Hi, this is Lars Pearson here, Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm on this Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. It's supposed powered with a 300 white Mercury Verado. So you can see back here on the sun pad, the interior is the dune, which is a tan. You have access underneath the storage under there where your engine would be, sea deck on the swim platform throughout the transom walkthrough, and then you have infinity woven vinyl in the cockpit. Nice wraparound seating. There's storage under most of these seats here, so you're never not going to have a place to put some bags, towels, water toys. Arch on this with a bimini top. It's collapsed right now. It does have the tower accent panels you'll see in the pictures. These helm seats, they go forward to backwards, so this way you can lean backwards if you're anchored up. Part of the conversation. Simrad display here, Fusion stereo, controls, switching at the helm. Head down here just has the head interior upgrade, as you can see, the nice cabinetry with the storage. Walk through, you have a windshield here, and then you have a walk-through door, so you get you out on those colder days. Nice wide seating up in the bow, windlass anchor. Storage under these seats as well. These ones are actually fiberglass finished off, so you could put drinks in there, ice. It'll keep it nice and clean and nothing getting soaking wet. Shot of the cockpit here. This boat's a Sea Ray blue, which is a navy blue color. Storage in the floor. Another shot of your sun pad and transom back here. Again, guys, Lars Pearson here, MarineMax Ship Bottom. Give us a call, 609-494-2102. Thank you.